This August 15th is our 118th day foundation day. So in that event we are conducting this roadshow campaign so that we want to mobilize more number of deposits for our bank also. And we want to encourage our team for meeting the customers and encouraging the teams and telling about our products. That is the purpose of this meeting. And Indian Bank is a very strong bank, so we want to publicize that our bank is very strong.
Okay, how many members participated, ma'am?
120 people have.